There are two types of people in this world. Those who want a loyal companion that greets them with explosive energy, and those who prefer a quiet presence watching from across the room. If you're drawn to cats, pop culture probably tried to label you cold, distant, antisocial. But science tells a very different story. Loving cats isn't random. It's psychological alignment. Modern culture rewards loud emotion, high energy, constant interaction, visible affection. But not every nervous system regulates through stimulation. Some regulate through stillness. And this is where cat people are different. Psychology research using the Big Five personality traits shows that cat lovers tend to score higher in openness, meaning creative, curious, comfortable with complexity. Lower in extroversion, meaning energy flows inward before outward. And slightly higher in sensitivity, not instability but awareness. Cat people don't feel less. They feel more, and more subtly. Cats match that nervous system perfectly. They don't demand attention. They don't escalate energy. They don't force interaction. They coexist. For a highly responsive nervous system, that's not boring. That's regulating. What some people call too much energy, cat people experience as overstimulation. What they choose instead is calm without pressure. There's also something deeper happening. Evolutionary biology explains a concept called baby schema. Large eyes, rounded features, soft movements. These trigger caretaking instincts in the human brain. Cats activate that response. But unlike human relationships, the care is low demand. You can nurture without being overwhelmed. You can connect without performing. That balance feels safe. There's even fascinating research about how a cat's purr, low rhythmic frequencies, can physiologically calm the nervous system. Before you consciously feel relaxed, your body already has. Breathing slows, muscles soften, stress decreases. This is co-regulation without conversation, comfort without expectation. And maybe that's the real psychology. Cat people aren't avoiding connection. They're avoiding unnecessary intensity. They prefer attachment with consent, affection that's chosen, not imposed. In a world that demands constant output, cats offer presence without performance. So maybe this was never about cats. Maybe it's about your nervous system. If you're drawn to cats, it doesn't mean you're distant. It means you value depth over noise, regulation over stimulation, consent over pressure. And for some people, that quiet companionship is exactly what makes them feel human again. If this resonated with you, subscribe for more psychology explained clearly and deeply. And tell me, what do cats give you that the world often doesn't?